Wow. I came down here to see this because at 11 o'clock they are going to be pausing at 11 o'clock for 2 minutes of silence. Yeah, so that's the time because it's coming on to Christmas. Yeah, when they're doing that, that's the time they play Silent Night. Yeah, 2 minutes. Yeah. This is called the Embankment. Wow. It says to come down to the river. Yep, and I've been here before, so I'm not going up on the bridge because I gotta turn left. I'm not crossing the bridge, but let's go up on there anyway. Okay, we're going up on the bridge here. We are not staying. What time is it? The thing is, I might have to turn back because I really would like to catch the procession. So this is Westminster footbridge. That's the one for the train. Here's the train on it, Southeastern. And the London Eye in the background, Big Ben ahead. That's Big Ben there. Zooming in on Big Ben. That's Big Ben. That's the London Eye. That's the train moving. So this is the Embankment train station. Train pulling in. Southeastern train pulling in. Okay, so we're standing on the Westminster Bridge footpath, and look what we can see. We can see a lot of things, so let's zoom in on them. So we're on the bridge, right? That's it, the river there. This is the Thames River. With the Westminster Bridge, Westminster footpath, a matter of fact. Footbridge. Down below. Oh, it's after 10, so I gotta walk back. I gotta go catch some of the procession that I really came out here for, but you have to have tickets. So this is the Embankment. The big bus. See, the whole place full. You can't get to see anything. You're blessed? You're blessed? Huh? I'm saying you're blessed? You're good? All right, cool, man. People walking away because they can't really see. See a walker there? That's a walker Jacko. That's a Wacko Jacko. He's Wacko. Whoa. If these people are to form a line to go see the marching up and down, see the line? That is the line. One of the line, one of many. Oh Lord, me not gonna get to see that today at all. So basically, the senator that I'm trying to get to, it's gonna be off limit. It's gonna be off limit. See people coming. That's a line, you know. Oh damn. Oh, so him take off him clothes and fling it there. Him soon come back for it, man.